Chef Whyte here. Today we've got undoubtedly the best 405 restoration that we've ever put together. I can't take any credit. The three service boys out the back have done a brilliant job. And on the note, what does that represent to you as value for money? For the pricing point where they go out at around the 18, 20 mark, something like that, in comparison to what you can buy in the small engine area around the early 20s, this unit, because it's got a big torquey water-cooled engine, it's tried and proven machine, it's almost a cult figure machine. We've now found that as time's gone on, we're going to talk soon about a governor, and Uhie will talk about that. That was the only thing that was raising a problem, but we've got around that. But this unit is good to go for another 20 years, but they're great value for money, and they're still a dual wind machine, plenty of heat, and the thing is, it just runs forever because they're not working under any load. A beautiful looking machine, and like I said, it's almost a cult machine, fantastic machine. Got Uhie here with me. We've got the side off the 405, and what we're talking about now is the actual governor. Having the expertise of Uhie and Russell and Scotty, I'll just get Uhie to explain to you what the governor does and why we now are in a position to fully restore those, because I'm well aware a lot of people around Australia are running this machine with that unit not working, and that's a bit sad. Uhie?
Okay guys, the governor itself is actually designed to keep the revs at a constant speed under different loads as you're working. One of the important things with the governor is it should be serviced every 100 hours by draining the oil out and refilling it with a good quality oil. For anyone who's got a 405 with a dead governor, we've now come up with a repair that we can do to them to get them back functioning again. So if you've got a dead governor lying in your garage and you want us to have a look at it, we're more than certainly happy to bring it into the workshop, and using our expertise we can get that governor up and working again for you, because as a replacement they're not available, and we've had to come up with an idea on getting them repaired. So if you're interested, give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you.